Good morning, everybody. Michael and Timber. Timber sees a possible new boyfriend that just walked by. She's very excited. No crying. Yes, I know. You poor thing. Nope, he's not gonna date you. Okay. So today we're gonna review a new product that I just tried out. It's phenomenal. It's Angelwax Vision. Their glass cleaner from Angelwax. Superior Image Car Care is a new wholesaler for them, and they're starting to sell their products in their warehouse and on their Amazon page. It's Superior Car Care Products. Sick products. What I did is I put it in a salon mister sprayer. This basically pressurizes a nice mist on it. So I have a waffle weave glass towel. Then I also have a Griot's Garage glass cleaner. So it has basically a nice thicker microfiber and then a nice thin where you can go over. So let's try out some glass here. So I just did this panel here. You can see this one isn't very bad, but I'm gonna just mist it nice and fine. Controls the spray with the mister. And go ahead and just wipe it on. And as you can see, it just is crystal clear and no smudging or smearing. So it says what it's proven. So got a little bit of, wow. I mean, I don't even need to flip it over. It's just cleaning it in one spot here. So a little bit of a spray over my windows, and I don't even need to go over it again. It is cleaning it fantastic. If you want to, you can always go over it again and flip it. So we have a little bit of a mist. I'm gonna go over my area here, flip it over. Crystal clear. Easy to use. Obviously, in a sprayer, you see it's still wet on my towel here. So I can control that spray. And you can just flip it over. And then get that to a shine. So let's, crystal clear. Let's check out the inside here. So man, great glass cleaner, super easy, quick to use, obviously. So a way to save some money on product, get yourself a mister. Excuse me. I use it on some quick detail sprays too. If you have any, nice SiO2 sprays that are expensive, control your product with a mister sprayer. It'll save you money in the long run, and they're pretty inexpensive. I think I bought a 3 or 4 pack on Amazon. Salon Beauty Professional Long Press Mister Sprayer, fine mist. So it's super fine. Don't forget to check out superiorimage.pro or Superior Image Car Care on Amazon. That's all for now. More product reviews to come. Any questions on detailing, shoot me an email at detailingandtempe@gmail.com, and I'll get to it as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button, everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.